Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether USDT from Binance to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and securely, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Bitmart. Double-check that your accounts are fully verified. Exchanges like these require KYC for withdrawals to prevent any hiccups. Once that's sorted, log into your Bitmart account and head to the wallet section. There, you'll find your USDT wallet address. Copy this carefully because accuracy is key to avoid losing your funds. Now, switch over to Binance. Open your Binance app or website and navigate to the Wallet or Funds tab. Select USDT from your asset list, then click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste the Bitmart USDT address you copied earlier, and make sure to select the correct network. By 2025, most exchanges support TRC20 or ERC20 for USDT, so choose the one that matches your Bitmart setup to minimize fees. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there's usually a minimum withdrawal limit and network fees, so check those in advance to avoid surprises. Review all the details one last time: address, amount, and network, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed. In 2025, with blockchain improvements, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm when the USDT arrives. A quick tip: always use the official apps or websites to reduce risks of scams, and never share your private keys. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.